Hello everybody, today is Saturday, August the 16th, 2014. My name is Michael Wright and this is the weekend Elliottwave video. Just before going forward, please do pause the recording and read over our risk disclaimer. Alright, let's jump right into the markets. As of late, as we kick off the second week of August, we are still in the positive, up around 8%. Actually, let's confirm that. And we are really in three trades which are in the green so far, so up about 10%, so right around that area. And we are in three trades that are in the green. Those trades are ASEAN shorts, stops now at -5 pips. We also have euro dollar long, stops are at break even on that trade. And then we also have dollar Swiss shorts, stops on there also break even. Euro dollar and dollar Swiss are the inverse of each other. So sometimes we will play one over the other or play both. The only difference is the euro dollar is a little bit more volatile than the dollar Swiss tends to trend. But let's take a look at those two first. Okay, so dollar Swiss, again, those shorts, we called it as pullback. It just didn't make sense for it to be over just yet in terms of that sell-off. So far so well. We are still targeting that 90 zone, which represents the 161.8% Fibonacci extension and also the ascending trend line. So if I were to draw the minor waves here, I will connect this as A to a B and then another minor C down here before a possible bounce. Okay, indeed, this high does call for a reversal amid not only the fib levels but also because of the hour side divergence and then ABC. So we don't rule out a test, a bounce, and then I really want to see what it does after that. Okay, I'm gonna stay patient because it's either gonna break out or bounce higher and then find its way in this congested zone, right? Will I play this long? Most likely not. Reason being is because there is a possible chance for a bounce, but there is a possible chance for a new high, maybe another spike to mark a fifth wave before lower. Alright, so we'll just have to see how things play out with the dollar Swiss. Meanwhile, the euro dollar, nice bounce off of this level here. Euro dollar, I feel more confident about higher levels than I do the dollar Swiss. Alright, but it's the same thing. So I'll probably look to play the euro dollar a little bit longer and sit on my hands. Sit on my hands with the euro dollar and then look for those targets on the dollar Swiss. But in either case, resistance is not far away. 134.50 on the euro dollar here. A full retracement, you're talking about at least to 136.50 if we break out and head higher. All right. Meanwhile, ASEAN, again, I said stops are at -5 that we are in. Really a breakout from this support, now turn resistance. It did overshoot, but when I revised my fib retracement, I realized that it came to 78.6 fib and sold off. So we held that position. We didn't move our stops, we just held it, and good thing because it started to sell off now. Now going forward, looking at the yen pairs is of great interest. Obviously, not only because we are in that pair, but more importantly because we do see a lot of false breakouts on both sides. We really don't like to see stuff like that. Breakout came back in, breakout came back in. So we rather see how things develop for the yen futures. We could almost see like a triangle developing. A, B, C, D, E, then continuation higher. That's usually how triangles play out. But we just need more price action for the yen futures. dollar yen. Dollar yen, we have downside for some support. Support located the trend line at least. 101.60, 101.70. Another false breakout. See, we broke to the top side, came back, retested, and just undershot. But if it comes back to test here again, 101.70, I don't mind those longs. Opening up the time frame to the daily. See, open up the time frame on the daily. This is, if we're not reversing yet, we're gonna reverse, and we're gonna hit it hard relatively soon. Don't rule out another high though. There goes that breakout I was talking about. So what I'm actually doing is looking to see confluence at the top. Not really there per se. I wouldn't rule out a high. I prefer shorts for now, and a fifth wave blowout with now a correction on the horizon. Again, a lot of reasons why. One is it appears to be a 5-wave up with clear divergence. Here we had a triangle breakout. Triangles occur within 4th waves and then continue before a reversal. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then reversal, looking for a 3-wave setback. All right. Minus that, this, I would say an A, B. Show you here. So now we're looking for a 3-wave corrective to the downside, and that will bode well for our ASEAN shorts. Right, 99.38, even 96.39. And would you want to call this a 3 waves already happening? Indeed, because also in the B wave, if this was to be a B wave, you'll see that sideways price action before we start to break out and get a trend. 100% targets may be too close, so in my opinion, better to eye that 161 area. Okay. Okay. So we're looking for something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. All right, even 91.56 possibly. All right, so let's stop there. I'll pull some setups in the trading room. All right. Also, for those who are members, hey, feel free to Skype me anytime at wtcg.mike. I'll be happy to go ahead and talk to you about setups. Don't be shy. Or to jump in the room. You can ask about setups, and we'll take it from there. We'll cover it in the daily videos and etc. So far, very well for this month, extending last month's gains, and looking to push forward. All right. Thank you all for watching the weekend Elliottwave video. Have a great weekend, and look forward to talking to you all when the market opens. Cheers, and good luck trading next week.